Hey everyone, and welcome back to today's video. So today's video, we're going to talk all about eye creams, and eye creams are so important in our anti-aging journey here. The skin around our eyes and under our eyes is so much more delicate than the rest of our skin on our face or anywhere else for that matter, and it's very susceptible to aging, and you will notice aging around your eyes faster than anywhere else on your face. So using a really great eye cream is so important, and I cannot stress that enough. Even when you are 20 years old, when you are 18 years old, start on a really good eye cream now, because it will definitely help you in the future and will really help to prolong the signs of aging. So today I have narrowed it down to my top 5 eye creams, and I can tell you this was actually really easy for me to pick. Now, being in the skincare business that I am and owning a skincare website where I get to literally try so many products, and there's products that are, sent to me and thrown at me all the time to really try and, test out. I get to try a lot of products, and I can tell you that these are by far the best eye creams on the entire market out there. They work. They really give results and really do what they claim to do. The ingredients are amazing, and they just are freaking bomb. They make your eyes just, I'm telling you, just like the youthfulness in your eyes will come back. So these are amazing. Again, 5 eye creams here that I have to share with you. I'm going to start out with SkinMedica first, because SkinMedica has 3 out of the 5 winning eye creams here today. So let's get started. Okay, so let's get started. Like I said, 3 out of the 5 eye creams here are SkinMedica, and for good reason. SkinMedica products are just so amazing. They are so effective. They have so much research behind them. Every product from SkinMedica is just researched before it is ever really, sent out on the market. That's the thing about medical grade skincare that is so, people don't realize. Medical grade skincare has to go through so many clinical trials before it is actually allowed to be out in the public. So it has been tested, it has been clinically proven, and the results are there. Whereas all other types of skincare, if it's not medical grade, they do not have to go through clinical trials. They don't have to be tested. They are, all claims, and there's no actual testing behind them. So huge point for the medical grade skincare. Again, why I am a very results driven person, and medical grade just gives the results. So anyway, SkinMedica, yes, an amazing medical grade skincare brand. I think, SkinMedica was one of the very first medical grade brands that I started using way back in my, beginning of my skincare journey, and it has just been tried and true ever since then. So let's get started. Now on Premier Look, this has, oh my gosh, this has a 5-star rating. There's so many positive reviews. It's the SkinMedica TNS eye repair, and I have used this on and off for years. Now I do switch up my eye creams. The 5 that I'm sharing with you now are just always in my rotation though, so it's always good to kind of switch it up here and there. It's like working out at the gym. If you do the exact same workout constantly, your muscles just get used to that, and it's just not going to be as effective. And it's the same with your skin. You want to always be constantly just tweaking little things here and there, whether it be by season and switching up certain products by season or every year. Just a little bit of change here and there in your skincare routine will keep your skin guessing and the results continuing to come. So this is an eye cream though that I have used, like I said, for years. This is an amazing eye cream. The SkinMedica is known for their growth factors, which is their TNS. Their TNS is their growth factor ingredient. This eye cream has a very high potency of growth factors. And just like we use growth factors and how important it is to use them on our face, of course it's going to be, as important for around our eyes. It's very beneficial, very anti-aging. Growth factors really stimulate, I want to say, the youthfulness in your skin. So this has a large potency of the growth factors. This one's actually almost gone. This is a really nice cream based. It's hydrating. It has hyaluronic acid in it. It does have antioxidants in it. The majority of this is growth factors, but then it does have antioxidants. It does have hyaluronic acid, and it does have some really nice hydrating, properties to it. So it is very nourishing and hydrating to the under eyes, but it's not a thick or heavy cream. So it works beautifully under makeup as well. well. All of these do. Every single one that I'm talking about really work great under makeup, because that's a big thing for me when I'm testing out eye creams, is they have to be, you know, work with my makeup. That's just a must. So this one is very nice, very hydrating. It feels wonderful under your eyes, and it will reduce wrinkles. Like it will, you know, you will see the lines and wrinkles just kind of shrink up a little bit. I mean, again, there is no miracle eye cream. Nothing is gonna really take away those like etched in wrinkles. You're gonna have to do a lot for that kind of thing. But it's never too late to get on a good eye cream because it will make a difference. And then if you need further treatment from there, you can always go that route as well. But just remember, the under eyes is something that is very hard to treat, like treatment-wise, medical-wise, by a doctor, by a dermatologist. It's very hard to treat the under eyes. So the first route of defense is a good eye cream. And I can definitely attest to that for sure. I go to, you know, I have a lot of dermatologist friends and they always comment on my under eyes. They're like, oh my God, you're 38 years old. You don't have a wrinkle, crepiness under your eyes at all. And they're shocked because at my age, like all those signs of aging under the eye really can start happening for sure. And it's because honestly, I've used good eye creams. I've used all of these eye creams since I was in my 20s. So definitely can attest to using a good eye cream. But this one is fabulous, fabulous. And I'm sure so many of you guys have tried this SkinMedica TNS Eye Repair. It is one of the best. Then we're gonna talk about this one as well. And this one I've mentioned in some old, like previous, you know, eye videos that I've done. And I still use this and I still love it. And it is amazing as well. It's the SkinMedica TNS Illuminating Eye Cream. So now this is the TNS formula as well. Just like this TNS Eye Repair one, they are both made with that TNS growth factor ingredient in them, which makes them, again, a powerhouse in anti-aging. But this one has a little bit of those like illuminating properties to them. This one does come in a pump, and it is, again, a cream base like this. Like I said, still very hydrating, beautiful under makeup. The thing is, I mean, it's not like one of those like illuminating, like it has like shimmers or sparkles or anything like that, or anything that's like kind of crazy that you might be thinking when you're thinking of an illuminating cream. But when you put this under your eye, it honestly, truly makes your under eye like lifted, and everything kind of is blurred, and everything is just so prepped and like ready for the day, and makeup and everything just lays so beautifully on it. And I don't know if you can see it on my hand, and you'll see, I mean, it completely blends right into your skin when you pat this around your eye. And again, this one has, like I said, it has the TNS in it. It also has the hyaluronic acid. It also has the antioxidants in here, and it also has peptides. So it is just like chocked full of amazing, amazing ingredients. And a lot of times what I know, like SkinMedica lovers, what they do is they'll use this during the day and then they use the TNS Eye Repair at night. I mean, you don't have to do that, but that is kind of what some people do because this is really, really beautiful under makeup for that like blurring, lifted effect. So absolutely swear by this one. Again, I've used this one for so long. Now, this is the third and final SkinMedica eye cream that I'm going to be mentioning today. This is the SkinMedica Uplifting Eye Serum. This is actually what I have on today. I love this eye serum. It's an oil-free eye serum. It's very light on the under eye. It's very nourishing and still hydrating, but it kind of comes out, well, I'll just show you. It comes out, let me use this hand. It comes out in this very light gel kind of serum consistency. Not even gel, I definitely want to say more of a serum consistency. And it just blends and you just dab it under your eye and it feels so just nice. Now this one does not have the TNS growth factor ingredients in it. The other two eye creams from SkinMedica, again, have those growth factors. This one does not, but this is so full of amazing other anti-aging ingredients. Let me just pull up the ingredients here so I don't forget any of these. It has a high concentration of aloe. Aloe is very nourishing for the skin. So great, so beneficial just for moisturizing and hydrating. So it has a high concentration of the aloe, but then it also has algae extract, which is really good for softening the under eye and just softening and smoothing the skin. It has tetrahexadecyl ascorbate. That's one of the top ingredients in this as well. So it has that vitamin C, and you guys know my love for tetrahexadecyl ascorbate. It's very good for brightening the skin. So if you have dark circles under the eye, it's gonna really help to brighten that up with that vitamin C. It also has lactic acid. It also has kojic acid, again, for the brightening aspect. It also also has vitamin E, it has green tea, so good for the skin. It has licorice root extract. Licorice root is very good again for brightening the skin. So this is really geared for brightening the darkness. It's good for puffiness. This also has willow bark extract. Willow bark extract with the lactic acid, both of those are great for a light kind of like exfoliation. So those ingredients are gonna really go to work on the wrinkles and the lines, and they're just gonna kind of like, this is gonna sound really weird, but it's gonna kind of eat away at like the wrinkles and like the dead skin that's kind of like always gets stuck in your wrinkles, and you don't notice that, you don't see that. But what makes wrinkles and lines look so much deeper is the fact that like dead skin and dead skin cells get stuck in your little lines. So it will actually exaggerate your wrinkles. So lactic acid and the willow bark extract in this kind of like shed the dead skin a little bit and just gently around your eyes so that your wrinkles and lines and everything just kind of like minimize with that. So that's amazing. It does have your sodium hyaluronate, which is your hyaluronic acid. So it is hydrating. Like I said, you will feel hydration with this, even though it is like that serum consistency. And that's basically the gist of this eye serum then too. So, you know, different than the other two that are more growth factor based, but I love this one. You will definitely see results with this one as well. It's just a very different type of formula, and it's geared to, again, more brightening the under eye and, you know, little lines and wrinkles like that. So it just depends on what your under eye situation is and what you need for, you know, fighting the aging around your eyes. Everybody's under eyes are going to be different. Some people want to focus on lines and wrinkles. Somebody might want to focus on the brightening. Some people want to focus on crepiness, you know. So I'm going to be sharing with you, you know, a little bit of my favorites of all of those kind of, you know, under eye issues. So this formula though is absolutely amazing. Okay, so speaking of crepiness, nobody wants crepey under eyes. And when we start to age, you will notice that the skin, and usually it's around your eyes first. Again, why I say get on a good eye cream, because it just really makes you, it will make you go a lot farther in the years before the crepiness and the lines and wrinkles and all that stuff come out. But crepiness around the eye is one of the very first issues in aging that a lot of people see. But basically, as we age, the skin becomes kind of like loose. You lose that like firmness, and the skin can look thin. And like I said, crepiness is basically like when you look at your under eyes and it just looks loose and not firm. I mean, that's like the best that I can kind of describe what crepiness is. So nobody wants that. Nobody wants crepey skin. This is the Skinceuticals AGE Eye Complex. This fights the crepiness like nobody's business. I have used this for years. You can apply this little miracle worker to not only the under eyes, but to your lids as well. And that is so important because your lids get that crepiness and your lids get loose and your lids lose that firmness as well. So to keep everything tight and firm, this eye cream seriously does the trick. Now, I've known people that start this eye cream and within a couple of weeks, they're like, oh my gosh, like your eyes just take a complete 180. It really, really firms everything. I do use a different eye cream in the morning, and then I will a lot of times use this at night, and this one is almost gone. It's thick and kind of like balmy-ish when you put it on, but it's not like heavy under the eyes. And you can wear this during the day and it's beautiful under makeup as well. So it's not one of those that's like so heavy or balmy that you can only wear it at night. You can completely wear this during the day, and I definitely do that as well sometimes. But you can see it again, it just moisturizes the skin. It really is hydrating to the skin. But the main purpose of this eye cream is crepiness and firming, and you will definitely see that. And last but not least here with my top eye cream picks, this is actually not an eye cream. This is an eye serum. This is the Is Clinical C-Eye Serum Advanced. And now you guys have heard me talk about this many times on my channel. This is an antioxidant. This is a pure vitamin C for your under eyes. Now again, you know, vitamin C is so important. I use it on my skin every day. I even use body oils and such on my skin, on my body with vitamin C in it as well, because it's just so beneficial, so important. Now for the under eyes, again, antioxidants, you cannot use, if you're using like a 15% L-ascorbic acid, if you're using a 10% L-ascorbic acid, you cannot put that around your under eyes. Like, it is too potent, it's too harsh. L-ascorbic acid is a very like delicate kind of weird to use ingredient because it's super beneficial, but it's hard to stabilize. You have to stabilize it properly. And you just cannot go throwing it all over your face. Like, you just have to be very careful with like how you use it. This is an L-ascorbic acid, but this is at a 7.5%, which is the exact amount you want for your under eyes. Like I said, anything over that is just gonna be too much for your under eyes, and you can actually be doing more damage to the under eyes because it's just too much. So this is a 7.5% L-ascorbic acid. This comes in a dropper like so, and I just take a couple little pats of this and I apply this to my eyes every single morning. And again, it's your antioxidant. It is very, very crucial for anti-aging. Antioxidants just ward off the free radicals, the damage to your under eyes. You know, every day you're getting attacked by free radicals. So the crazy thing is, when you're using an antioxidant, whether it be your face, your under eyes, what you're doing is you're actually adding that molecule to your skin that when the free radicals come and attack, it's actually taking that extra one and not taking one from your skin. So it's very, very important just to protect that under eye with a antioxidant for sure. This is my favorite antioxidant for the under eyes. I used to always use the Skinceuticals one, the AOX eye gel. I used that for years, but then I switched to the Is Clinical, and I actually see better results with this one. This one brightens up darkness under your eyes so well. It is very effective for, you know, the darkness under your eyes. This also has like peptides and other really nice ingredients for anti-aging as well, but I cannot stress enough like how important antioxidants for not just your face, your under eyes are. And the thing that I love about this is it's so light and it just absorbs right into your under eye that you can easily take an eye cream or whatever other eye product you're using. Like today I used the Is Clinical, and then I followed it up with the SkinMedica Uplifting Eye Serum. You can apply this, you get that protection, you get that antioxidant, but then you can take your other eye product, your eye cream, whatever else you're really trying to drive, whether it be crepiness, whether it be lines and wrinkles, you can apply that directly on top of this. So you are just getting a complete anti-aging eye care routine. So this Is Clinical CI Advanced is my last choice. Those are my top 5 eye creams and eye serums. I hope you guys enjoyed. I will link and list them all down below. And again, like I said, these are all tried and true. I've used them all for years. You know, some other ones might come in and get tested and I'm always like, nope, like these are it. These are the powerhouses. You want serious results, these are the best for your money for sure. So again, thank you so much for watching and hanging out with me today. I hope you all have a wonderful rest of your day, and I'll see you next time. Bye.